If you've ever looked for a way to make some extra money with Amazon merch on demand, where you put your design on shirts, whatever, you may want to check this out. I'm at tier 500, which means I can have 500 designs uploaded on Amazon. Right now, currently, I have 236 designs with all the different variations. I'm at a little over 2,000 variations of those 236 designs. Here are some of the designs. I'm not going to show you the pictures, but here, look at this. Team Nitro hoodie, Girl Boss case, which is for iPhones, Gen X designs, Residual Hustler, make money while you sleep, work all day hours, more Gen X, more Pocono Mountains, Thank God I'm Free shirt, Pure Blood, Residual Hustler, residual income makes me happy. And you can see that they purchase. I had one return. And then here's the royalties right here. I earn anywhere from $3 to $5 for each one. So not a bad side hustle. If you like to design stuff like I do, and you can make some extra money. You're not going to get rich from this, but you'll definitely, make some spare change every month. That could definitely help you out. Pretty cool.